Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2016 Honda Odyssey. This 8-passenger van just recently passed the 60,000-mile mark. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, power front seats, speed-sensitive wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, and cruise control. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.